Alam nyo guys, yung inano niya is yung kasintahan niya noon. I'm jealous guys, you know, but I just keep it myself.
No, she doesn't, guys. She does not just keep it to herself. She's lying to you.
Good morning, Philippines!
Maayong aga sa inyo dyan, pero sa akin hindi talaga maayo. Good morning. Pero good morning pa rin kasi buhay. Pero anyway guys, hala guys, ngayong umaga guys, umakit ulo ko. Hold on guys. Nakatanggap ako ng ano, hindi talaga ako nakatanggap. Ako yung tumawag. Naano nga ako sa sister ko. Tumawag sa Pilipinas kasi palagi naman akong tumatawag every morning naman ako tumatawag sa sister ko. Mga, you know, every morning ako tumatawag sa sister ko. Sumakit mata ko guys. Yung ama ko ba, hold on guys. So ang nangyari guys, tumawag ako sa kapatid ko. Tumawag ako, na-shock ako kasi sabi pa niya, nandun daw sila sa hospital. Yung ama ko, dinala daw nila sa hospital kasi may gustong sumaksak, may gustong pumatay sa ama ko. Nagulat talaga ako guys, as in nagulat talaga. Ngayon pa yan nangyari, kapitbahay pa raw daw. Buti na lang hindi siya yung nasaksak. Ang nasaksak is yung kamay niya. So ngayon hindi niya ma-close yung kamay niya. So may ano daw, sabi ng kapatid ko, may ano daw, yung kamay daw yung nasaksak. So yun, dinala sa hospital para malinis, para madressingan, para maano. So, and then, yun din yung hospital record kailangan. Sabi ko, idritso na, pagkatapos nyo yan dyan, nakuha pa ni Papa yung kutsilyo kasi marunong nga. Buti na lang talaga guys. So, naano ako baka kung hindi yan ipapulis, kung hindi yan ipaano ni Papa yung taong yun, kapitbahay pa naman, baka balikan si Papa talagang hindi na, next time hindi na talaga. Inuday! Kadungog ka, busy ka?
Ha?
Busy ka?
Ako diri sa tuwad, ako ni sulod. Sila mamaraan sa sulod. Dressing naman lang to.
Kinsay uban ninyo diha?
Kami na tulog. Ako magpapap.
Ko sumakit ulo ko sa mga ganito. Anyway guys, I will talk to you later. Balitaan ko na lang kayo kung ano mga ginagawa nila doon. Ano ngayon guys, Wednesday, trabaho si Tami. Tinawagan niya ako ni Tami ngayon. Nagkarakara din ito. Sabi pa niya, tawagan mo, balitaan mo ako kung ano mga nangyayari. Hindi ko makontak na yung sister ko kasi ano, lubat daw siya. Lubat daw siya. So yun, gusto kong malaman kung ano na mga nangyayari doon ba. Pero lubat daw siya. Pero sabi ng sister ko, kaya pumunta sila sa hospital para may record at saka maano daw yung ano kasi hindi na ma-close ni Papa yung kamay niya. And yes guys, yung nagpost ako sa Facebook page, thank you guys so much for for telling me for the comments, for ano ninyo, sa comment ninyong lahat. Salamat talaga sa inyong lahat. And yun, binasa ko lang, nag-reply lang ako ng mga 3 tao. And binasa ko yung mga comment ninyo. And yeah, sumakit. Umulan guys, nung malakas. Okay naman yung ulan. Maganda nga umulan. Pero ngayon ko pa makikita kung gaano talaga ito ano yung paint namin, o yung kung gaano talaga siya ka-effective. Kasi dito ko lang siya makikita kung effective ba talaga siya. Tignan natin. Ay, totoo guys. Kasi kapag mabasa yung wood, ipakita ko nga sa inyo. Kapag yung wood nagsusok yung tubig, parang nahihigop ba ng kahoy. Pero this time, i-focus ko sa inyo itong may color may stain. Nagbababo lang siya doon, nag-stay lang siya sa ibabaw ng look, tignan nyo. Kita nyo? Nag-stay lang siya doon, hindi naging talagang kinakain ng kahoy yung tubig. Kaya pala tinatawag itong protection talaga, parang so hindi siya madaling malata, masira, mabulok. Kita ninyo guys, yung parang patchy na area, yun yung pinipressure wash ni Tami, pero yung dito kita nyo kung gaano kaganda, yung smooth, doon is parang rough area, yun yung pinipressure wash ni Tami kasi ang daming mold, as in yung green talaga. Kaluka, totoo pala talaga. Pero I'm happy sa floor. Kahit ganito lang yung floor namin. happy, umulan, bumagyo, gumuhuman ang bando, ikaw at ako pa rin. Remember me. Hindi, wala pa akong news guys sa kapatid ko kasi I think late na doon, mga 12 na. I think napagod yun, natutulog na rin sila, nakauwi na, natulog. Iwan ko kung pumunta sila sa pulis, hindi ko talaga alam kung nagpunta ba sila sa pulis. But anyway,
One pair of pants later.
ay, 7:30 na ng hapon and ngayon 7:30 na ng umaga sa Pilipinas. Yung sister ko kasi nalubat yung cellphone niya sa kakatawag ko. Marami kasi silang ginagawaan the whole day. Ako nag-alala and hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin. Naglalaba ako na lang. Yun na lang yung ginagawa ko guys. Naglalaba. Nag-i-edit kasi yung feeling na malayo ka, na wala ka talagang magawa. Ang gagawin mo na lang is parang naghihintay ka na lang ng news.
Many months later.
Good morning guys. Sinsya na sa light. Today is Thursday. May tao sa labas. Huwag niyo sabihin kay Tammy ha. May boyfriend akong dumating.
What?
Si Tammy. Si Tammy yan guys. Si Tammy Moy. Kararating lang niya. Mga 5 something. Ang aga. Yun yung gusto ko maaga. Pakainin ko yung pusa at aso kasi iyak nang iyak si Hubs. Iyak nang iyak yung little man ko. Hindi makakapintay. Maaga si Tammy today. Naglalaba agad. Pagdating niya, naglalaba agad. Iwan ko kung anong gagawin namin today. Hindi ko talaga alam. Ito yan.
Hey, Chewy, little bug. Hey, dimple up a little. Dimple up.
My baby boy. My big baby boy. They're waiting for their food. Look at this over here, Han. Look.
Oh, you see. Oh, look, you're on camera. He's okay. I'm looking at the food.
He's watching the food, guys. Look. he's eating it on my hand. Look, he's cleaning a finger. Okay, I'm gonna give it to you. I'll give it to you now. Hold it, okay. I'm down, Han. Go down, Han. He got it. I love you so much, even though you smell like a freaking lizard. Come, and hold it up. He's gonna go crazy.
No, we go. I'm not fast enough. I got it.
Good morning again, guys. Ito yung ginagawa ni Tammy kapag may na-start na siya. Inano niya na lahat, demolish. Demolishment, guys. Kaloka naman ito si Tammy. May problema lang, hindi kailangan ng itapon. Gidi-demolish talaga. Say good morning, hoy.
Morning, guys. I guess these LEDs are no good. The wiring is fine. The rest of these batteries are no good. Just a base for an acrylic statue. Throw the light through it. That's all. You said you got other bases upstairs?
Huh?
You got more bases upstairs?
Ayan na. Ito yung ginagawa niya, guys. The first thing, instead of spending time with me, spin this thing. And he cannot fix it because he demolished.
Get them out if something is broken and not working. Can't really make it. I'm gonna put a voltage tester on to see if it's got voltage, but so ideally if the switch was no good and I did this, it would light anyway.
Just rip it apart.
I don't want to rip it apart. I mean, I could solder into LEDs.
Early in the morning, this is what happened.
That's what happened.
Like that, doing that. That's the light that gives a spark, huh? This is the one gives spark.
No,
Reflection.
This is just
Yes.
reflection, right?
Yeah,
You
that's
can't
the
get to the-
beauty of it. That's part of the beauty.
Yes, hon, you have to put it back. But if it doesn't work, what's good is it?
Just do it like this and bang 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 garbage, han. Easy, no problem.
Yeah.
No headache. Bang bang bang. Okay guys, remember I told you this laptop is having a problem. And then there is a news that maybe this is part of the 2015. I
It
don't
doesn't
know.
matter, that's a battery problem. That has nothing to do with your laptop having a problem.
Okay. So, guys, 2015 to in between 2015 to 2017, they have the news that the laptop 2019 now, right? The laptop have a battery problem, right? And they said that if you have that laptop here, you cannot bring it to what is it, hun?
Open it and turn it on.
No, you cannot bring it to what?
You can't bring it on an airplane because the batteries can catch fire.
Yeah, the battery can catch fire. So, if we travel, check what year is this, okay?
You gotta get my phone. This is late 2013.
So that's good. It's not part of it. It's not in the pouch, Tommy.
Oh, it must still be in the car, yes. When we bought it and when it was made, it's two different things.
Let's see what year your laptop. You never been even updated yours, nothing. 14.
Mid 2014.
So you're good too. Han, it's a hassle really, Han, going to the Mac area. You know how painful the line and waiting. I remember the iPhone. Gee, it's a line. Especially recall, probably a lot of people, Han. 2015 and 2017 recall, can you imagine? My little family is outside. My little family. My family. My familia. What? Who you looking at, Rocks?
Quiet.
I don't see anybody, Han. Come here. Did you eat your dindin? Come here. Lechon, Rocks? Oh, I want lechon. Dada. We want lechon, Dada. Guys, harvest tayo, guys. Sobrang aga. Harvest tayo. Kainin natin ito mamaya. Harvest time. Oh, God. Naku, paano ba to i-harvest? Nakalimutan ko na. What? Oh, hala. Ninggahi na siya, guys. Kailangan ko na talaga itong lutuin. Look at this, guys. And asan yung isa? Ito yung isa. Maliit. Nawala man yung iba. Na, kinain, oy. Yung iba, kinain ng mga tinuhak. Hala, guys. Meron din dito, guys. Isa. Kawawa, isa. Mag-isa lang, oh. Asan yung iba? Ang dami naman yun. Oh, ito lang. Nawala yung iba.
Okra.
Yeah, your favorite. This one right here. Can you... There is another one here.
There's one here, but it's a little tiny.
No, that's tiny. That one right here.
Cucumber?
Yeah, cucumber.
Well, that doesn't have to be cut.
I know, but I have one hand, so... Thank you. You can take it. Harvest. Yee. Kainin natin tong okra and then cucumber for tummy later. Yeah. Tiny harvest.
Yeah, really tiny harvest.
Tiny harvest.
One stream being one cucumber and two okras.
Girlfriend's picture. Ex-girlfriend, right, honey?
Right.
It's ex, right?
Right.
It's no future? No future. Who is your future, hon?
You are my future is my present.
Alam nyo guys, yung inano niya is yung kasintahan niya noon. Yung pictures dyan. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo noon. I don't know why he's taking care of his ex picture. Yeah, he's scanning and looking at the past. The past is the past of the past. It looks like a TV, hon. The printer like this in the camera. That white thing. That white thing when you open that, it looks like TV. And he told me he's gonna keep the ex picture in his wallet.
This doesn't say 8.
Ala, kadira.
Oh, this one I did it, I guess.
Oh, you keep looking at it, hon.
I'm trying to pick the ones I haven't.
You keep repeating her picture.
Yeah.
God. I'm jealous, guys, you know, but I just keep it myself.
No, she doesn't, guys. She does not just keep it to herself. She's lying to you.
Because you're telling me the other day,
I tell you what.
you told me the other day that that's the thing that you wish you marry.
No, you asked me, was there anybody else in my life that I considered? You ask a question and then you want to like make it like I'm torturing you. Are you freaking kidding?
It's really a torture, hon.
Uh-huh.
It's okay. Whatever makes you happy. You can go back to your old girlfriend. Probably,
Oh my God. Oh, pain in my ass.
she's probably 60 years old now.
Pain in my ass.
Is she older than you?
She was, yeah, she was,
She's 65 now.
she was a year older than me.
60 now. Why are you drinking coffee again?
Because you give me idea.
You know what, hon? Ay, naku talaga. Huh? You did it. You too. You always go there too. Now there's no gate. Honey, you're teaching your kids bad words. Bad idea. Bad idea about me. That's not, Han. When you have a kid, Han, you're not talking. You're not telling your kids that, oh, your mother is this, that. Hi guys, katatapos ko lang nag-ready. And ngayon, ano tayo sa labas? Edit. Andito yung tummy ko. Somebody's a cutie. Come here, cutie. Come here, cutie. Hi, cutie. Hello, cutie. How are you? Why you barking? Come, cutie. Cutie. Right here. I have my hand right here. Cutie. Aduh, slow. Cutie. Daddy mama na. I love you. Your sister's inside, huh? Your sister's inside, not cutie. Aduh, yung buhok. Aduh, kadaghan sa buhok. Aduh, nagkabuhok-buhok na aki. Baby. Ang pretty naman ito, oh. Okay, you can move now. I have a lot of hair now. I love you. You where's Dada? You gonna go get her? Look. He's out there. Let's go get him. Where is he? Where's Dada, baby? Look. Go get Dada. Go find him. Oh, tukuloko, toy.